minimum fuel you want to reach, then it will not possible every day. It's not possible every month, not possible every year also. Typically every 2.5 years type of thing, scenario comes, the geometry comes. The geometry enables you start from a particular day, take a longer journey, but still the minimum energy you can reach the particular planet. This is what gives here. And looking back from that time, we had 3 such opportunities coming successively: 2013 one, 2016 one, 2018 one. This is the opportunity within the capability of PSLV. Whatever we have done, Chandrayaan we have gone for that. Within that capability, technically it is feasible to have a mission provided if you take any one of this opportunity. But that way, we thought, if you look at here, nearest opportunity is 2013. It was taken somewhere in 2011 when we are considering this opportunity. Let us assume if I take for 2013 launch, now what we should do. In engineering point of view, technical feasibility has been identified. Technical feasibility means, yes, Prevaga has to be done this particular day. January 31st to February 2nd has to come. I know your people working for the nearly a year back. So working back to happen to here, what else should be done? Okay. Similarly, we are same thing. You can look at here some similarity, fairly good similarity between Prevaga plan of the addition 1 versus mass orbiter. We can very well match it here. Here we are doing on our schedule chart, taking from 2011 just a concept to make the mission on 2013 November, what else should be done? Okay. Typically, to realize the mission, what else should be done? Timetable is worked out here. And this is how it goes. When Rangan told, if all goes well, it would be a reality. Because of this sort of working it out and done that. Similar thing we are trying to make, taking from 2011 as the baseline, and that we worked out. And you look at here, you can see 2000 October end and November launch is possible, provided all the things happen as per his plan. Okay, you can look at here, is that will one side. Having done that, we look back elsewhere. Okay, now one side you have timetable, like your Prevaga have done, timetable you have done. Parallelly, like your Prevaga, we have fairly good number of technical tests going on. It's all about important to look back what elsewhere people have done, so that learn the lessons from that. Now here learning the lesson is what elsewhere people have done the mission elsewhere. Okay, Mars research, many missions have gone from the US has gone, Russia has gone, China has done, Japanese has done, all Europeans have done the mission. So looking back at the statistics of what are all the mission types, flyby mission, orbiter, lander, rover, you take the very good number of missions. 51 missions total attempts have happened before Mars orbiter. And you look at here the various reasons, the success, the failure, not able to reach, but various reasons have been tabulated here. The success rate, summary talks about, success rate is not better than 42%. Okay, and this success rate, I don't think so. We can take this and from 43 or 44, 50, nowhere near we can take and look for that. So that means we have very good number of lessons sitting here. Why this failures happen? Looking back the bottom line talks about issue. One is launch related failures, another one is propulsion system. Because though you put it and launched it there, you have to go all the way from the Earth orbiting to go to the Mars. You have to propel the system. Okay, various points you have to accelerate the system, increment the velocity, and somewhere you have to brake, apply the brake and reduce the velocity. That propulsion system is the one which does that. That is failures there. And software errors, because fairly good amount of software is called for because we have miniaturized system. Today's technology allows us to configure many of the systems in the software mode, and the errors creeping into the software, both in the ground or the onboard, all of the things. Human errors also makes a difference because how you operate the satellite, you make error there. And probably putting it here, insufficient hardware testing and conceived mission concept are the major reasons why the people are failed. Okay, that means you cannot afford to have less testing. You should have as good testing as possible in the realistic environment. That is the bottleneck. Now you look back, we have put out timetable. Now it calls for, even though release the hardware or software, you should ensure proper testing to be done. That means you have to embed any amount of this schedule as a part of the overall schedule. This is another thing comes. Now putting all the things together, okay, that means you should have a reliable mission. Previous missions have the issues of that. Lessons learned from that talks about you should have enough testing, you cannot afford to have human errors, you should have ensure all the designs are proper. And the propulsion system is a major failure, ensure that system, whatever elsewhere fails, is not happening for you. And though you are doing all these things, launch should take the PSLV, That means you cannot carry a bigger system. That means you have enough redundancy. Instead of one system, two systems, three systems you carry, you can enhance the reliability. But mass of the system can go up. That will not give you the real engineering solution. Okay, you have to still optimize the mass, but still the PSL recoverability will launch. And not only launching, not only reaching the Mars, you should also some science coming from the system also. That means you should enable the instruments to be accommodated in the mission, and the science also coming there, we are sure. And the mission requirements we made, because it is not only the missions what we talked about all along, mission around the Earth, mission are going en route, and mission going around the Mars are different configuration. We have to ensure this is there. Over and above that, heritage is sometimes it's a positive, sometimes it's negative. Because we know the way in which you have traveled one place, and the new place going all along whatever we traveled, same thing if you take, it may be a package, it may be a luggage, it may be a weight. Okay? There is our own heritage of what we have previously, very positive or negative, ensure which is positive, which is negative, that is. Still, ensure the launch happening take place during the time of November 2013 take place, the spell check here. What does it mean? Okay, the question mark, whatever I told here, it looks as what? It looks a difficulty. As people are looking at here, it looks difficulty. Is it a difficulty? I think some people are looking other way. What this shows? What this shows?
Opportunity.
It is showing an opportunity. Okay, but there is a thin layer between difficulty and opportunity. Okay, somebody sees a difficulty, someone sees an opportunity. Okay, this is a good opportunity gathering. Okay, and then the thin layer is basically makes people like this. Pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity. Optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. This was Vincent Churchill told. The real meaning is Mongolia. The real meaning is mass artificial. That's what I'm going to tell. Because it was looking difficult, but we grabbed the opportunity, made the mission. We may not be optimistic or pessimistic. We don't want to get classified like that. But we are shown to the world. It is not all the difficulties are difficulties. Difficulties gives you an opportunity to show what you are. I think that's what happened there. But just not talking like it is not enough. What does that mean? It translates what are we told the timeline you have to follow, what are we told the difficulties to unravel, what are we told the lessons taken from here should be accounted here. This translates into making a project teams. Previa probably would have followed similar thing. That means realizing the mission not by a single team. Realize the mission not by a single person. It goes for the multiple teams. Engineering point of view, although you have important in a project goes like this. Satellite some team makes,